Life is so boring without wars. Why don't people kill each other anymore? Yes, it would be fun to see someone die. And while they were lying on the floor, just to kick them once or twice. I'd like to beat my mates over the head. I could sit and watch him as he lay down and bled, or maybe blow his arm off. I could use a gun and watch him scream in agony. Yeah, that'd be fun. I like the pretty mushroom when Hiroshima went up in smoke. And all the people screaming, you could hear them as they choke. And little babies dying in their mother's arms. I tried to run for cover, but there was nowhere to hide. I like to see them tremble, 'cause I know there's no escape. They turn to me with faces of fear. I just look on them with hate. With radiation rising, they try to run away. There's no use in running, so they just have to stay. Cry for mercy, I just look and laugh. And as he crawled towards me, I'd hit him with a bar. The people were like candles, just melting in the sun. And as they crawled along, they would go out, one by one. These thoughts sticking in your mind, and I really hope they do. This song is just a warning of what could happen to me and you and you.